This problem is from the chapter 2. Construct a boxplot for the following dataset by finding the 5-number summary, the IQR, the outlier boundaries, and any outliers if they exist. First, let me find the 5-number summary. What is the 5-number summary? Minimum, Q1 first quartile, Q2 second quartile, Q3 third quartile, and maximum. What is the first step? First step, put these numbers in an order. I put these numbers in increasing order. So, minimum is 8.2 and maximum is 16.1. 8.2 and 16.1. Then we can find the Q2. Yes, Q2 is the median. How do we find the Q2? First, let me find the position of Q2. It is n plus 1 divided by 2. N is the number of observations. Here n equal to 20. So 20 plus 1 divided by 2, 10.5. Now what is the next? Yes, first now we should consider 10th and 11th number and get an average of these two, right? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are 10 and this is the 11. So I can write Q2 equal 9.7 plus 10.4 divided by 2, 10.05. So Q2 is 10.05. Once we find the Q2, we can find the Q1. How do we find the Q1? We consider each numbers before the Q2. So Q2 is 10.05. Therefore, we consider these 10 numbers before the 10.05. Now let me write down Q1. So position of Q1. It is how many numbers we consider now for the Q1? It's 10 only, right? 10 plus 1 divided by 2, that is 5.5. Now we consider two numbers, 5th and 6th numbers, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th and 6th and get the average, right? Therefore, Q1 equal 8.8 plus 9 divided by 2, that is 8.9. So that is the Q1. Then Q3. How do we find the Q3? Now we consider each number after the 10.05. So 10.4, 10.5 and up to 16.1. Now we consider these last 10 numbers for the Q3. We know the position is 5.5 from the first number, right? It means first number is here 10.4 for the Q3. Therefore, we can say Q3 equal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th one, 6th one, get the average of 5th and 6th. Divide, right? So this is 12.2. Therefore, Q3 is 12.2. So this is the 5-number summary. Let me find the outliers. Before we find the outliers, we need to find the lower limit and upper limit of the outliers. It means boundaries. Okay, how do we find the boundaries? This equal Q1 minus 1.5 IQR. Then we need to find the IQR. What is the IQR? IQR is Q3 minus Q1. Q3 is 12.2. Q1 is 8.9. This is 3.3. Now Q1 is 8.9 minus 1.5. IQR is 3.3. Once you simplify, you will get 3.95. Then go to the upper limit. Upper limit is Q3 plus 1.5 IQR. So Q3 is here 12.2 plus 1.5 3.3, that is 17.15. These two are the boundaries of outliers. Then this is the 3.95, this is the 17.15. Do we have any number less than 3.95? No, because our minimum is 8.2. And do we have any number greater than 17.15? No, the maximum one is 16.1. Therefore, we can say no outliers. Okay, now let me draw the box plot. Box plot represents the 5-number summary. Okay, we know this is the shape of the box plot. Right, minimum is 8.2. Q1 is then should be here 8.9. Then Q2 is 10.05 and Q3 is 12.2 and 16.1 is the maximum because we don't have any outliers now. So this is the box plot for this. Now how do we find the shape of this distribution? We know the difference between these two numbers is 1.15 and these two numbers is 2.15. It means 12.2 minus 10.05. Then we know this part is greater than, the area is greater than the left side part, this one. Therefore, this is what? Right skew. Why right is skew? Because the right side area is larger than the left side area.